Morning, guys. It's Nick here from Crypto Cruncher. Now, I woke up this morning to see what looks like on the surface good news. USi Tech is finally playing ball and switching the US and Canada back on. Now, although I'm based in the UK, it's been a pretty worrying couple of weeks for us all, not knowing if the same thing is going to happen over here. Loads of messages flying all around, panicking, saying it's a Ponzi and we're all doomed, etc. Now, but finally, there seems to be a little light at the end of the tunnel. One of the CEOs of USI, Horst Jicha, I think that's how you pronounce it, has been talking to Mike at IL Mat, and here's the main points he was explaining.
That's the most important statement. USI Tech in USA and Canada never did anything in terms of illegal things in USA. All the departments, they confirmed once you market the product and you communicate it in the right way, there is nothing within your company, your product, your activities, we would see anything illegal. So this is something this is the reason why we finally switched the system in USA and Canada off, but also we are working since then on a legal statement, and we are almost there where we believe we can switch USI Tech in USA and Canada on again.
Wow. So we're nearly at the point that we can actually switch America and Canada back on. Is that what you're,
right.
That's what you're saying, Horst?
That's right. I got the latest draft of our attorney and legal statement, which we're going to make officially, which points out more than clear that we never had an issue, we as a company, in terms of unlegal activities. But we have to discipline the marketing and sales activities. That's also a part we need to fulfill.
Now, we can all take this with a pinch of salt and look at it on the negative side, as in, are they just buying time before they fold and take all our investments with them? Or we can say, hey, they're at least being upfront with what's going on and it's getting sorted. I think either way, if they do decide to fold, we may have lost our investment, but what can we do about it just now? Not a lot. So let's try and focus on the positive. There doesn't seem to be any problems with us in our USI Tech accounts and wallets over here in the UK. And as long as we're not promoting USI Tech, giving false promises on guaranteed returns, we should be fine. The closing down for a short while in the US and Canada was just advisory by their lawyers, while they wheedled out the idiots that were arriving in flash cars and promoting and promising an incredible millionaire lifestyle that wasn't achievable. It's these stupid, greedy, lying affiliates that have caused the troubles and the stress, not USI Tech. So let's stop giving them a hammering. Horst Jicha seems to be being upfront with it all. If they wanted to cut and run, I'm sure they wouldn't be talking about it. They would have just disappeared. So for now, let's just breathe a sigh of relief and see if they stick to what they say and they're going to do. Take it for what it is and think positive before we all cry Ponzi constantly, yeah? I've put a link to the whole video below if you want to see it all. Thanks for watching. Keep moving forward and think positive. This is a crypto revolution. We're going to get a few scars. If you like this video update, give me a big thumbs up, or even better, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be great. See you on the next one.